How to disable artists news on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable artists news on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in top corner. Click on it, and now just click notifications, and as you see here you will find artists I like, and if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and that's it. As you see here, now all you need to do is just wait 2 days, and that's it. That's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.